Hello, we are back again. A Yoruba person asked, why are your Igbo people escaping Igbo land, Biafra land, to Yoruba land if they so much believe it? Why are they escaping? They are not migrating, they are escaping. He said, Anambra governor said half of Igbos have left Igbo land. You all refugees all over Nigeria. If you all leave, no one cares. You know what prompted this writing? Because of when we talk about Biafra, it appears as if the main opposition to our Biafra is Yoruba people. Yoruba people will tell you, leave Lagos, leave Lagos, leave Lagos. Lagos that we have bought up with our money. You know, we have bought up Lagos. Meanwhile, I'm not proud of this. But, after selling to us at high prices, they still want it back. They want to eat their cake and have it. So we normally ask them this question. When we wanted to leave Nigeria, they said, you cannot leave. They joined other Nigerians to stop us. Now, they are still asking us to leave Lagos by joining other Nigerians to stop us. That means they want us to be part of Nigeria. But by asking us to leave Lagos, they are trying to make us second-hand citizens in Nigeria. Because based on the constitution, every citizen of the country has a right to reside anywhere. You can buy properties anywhere and stay. And that is what the Igbo people are doing. Since you don't want them to leave, they came back. They are living like true Nigerians. Though I have started to tell them, no, stop buying. So this Yoruba guy is trying to say Igbo people have left or are escaping out of Igbo land to Lagos. And he said one governor said half of Igbo people have left Igbo land. And we need to explain to them why. We need to explain to them why. And by the way, that is not true. There are many Igbo people in Igbo land. And for you to note, Onisha is still the biggest market in West Africa. Some say there is no business in our place and that's why we come to Yoruba land. And you have to also remember, Lagos was a federal capital. You know what happens with federal capital? You know what is happening to Abuja right now? Huge investment from federal government through oil money gotten from Igbo land and Niger Delta. They are investing heavily. Tomorrow somebody will tell you they built Lagos. He built Lagos and he's destroying Nigeria. He would have built Nigeria too. So, Lagos, it was agreed upon by all Nigerians that Lagos should be capital at the particular point in time before it was moved to Abuja. And federal government was investing heavily. They fixed Lagos. The Hausa man will also tell you, plus their groundnut money. So everything is in Lagos. You're asking why Igbos are leaving Igbo land. I'm beginning to tell you. Another problem is civil war. You know, recently Igbos in the house are talking about Southeast or East development. There are places even still in Enugu that are yet to be fixed after the Civil War. Destruction done during the Civil War. They wanted to wipe Igbo people away, but to God be the glory, we survived. And Southeast was totally down economically, and Igbos began to spread to survive. So they went to Lagos, and don't think it's only Lagos that you see Igbo people. Igbo people are everywhere. And some of the Igbo people coming to Lagos are not coming to stay in Lagos. Lagos is like, one of the places, some of them will cross to the other lands. Some are going to Ghana. Some are going to different African countries. Some are going abroad. Remember, it was only recently that Enugu had an international airport. So you understand why they are coming to Lagos. Meanwhile, we have a package. We Igbos, we have plans. We are beginning to fix our place. The Akurueno is gradually being welcomed. And there is insecurity in our place currently. Yes, it's affecting us. And we know with time, everything will calm down. That is also one of the factors making people to leave. And part of what caused this insecurity is the federal government. Yes, our people caused it too, due to agitation, but the federal government made it to escalate. Several groups have sprung up demanding Nnamdi Kanu's release. Federal government released Igbo, Sunday Igbo. They said they will not release Nnamdi Kanu. Now, some of us that are demanding from Nnamdi Kanu's release, it's not because we are exonerating him, we are saying he's innocent or this. But, you know, some crazy people do not understand how things are done, do not understand diplomacy. Everything is not by war. Yes, you will continue to hold Nnamdi Kanu. You will continue to hold Nnamdi Kanu. The same government could not stop sit at home in Southeast. They are holding Nnamdi Kanu. And when you realize that Nnamdi Kanu is the solution to ending the sit at home, but pride will not allow you to release him. If you not release him for any reason, but so that Southeast, part of the current problem in Southeast, insecurity is because of Nnamdi Kanu is being held, irrespective of what he has done. But the federal government is looking for other solutions to bring peace, or I don't even know. It appears they want Igbo land to boil. And it's boiling and Igbo people are spreading out. And you're asking, why are they going to Yoruba land? Another thing you should note is that Igbo people are traveling people. They travel a lot. They are the most traveled black tribe, if not in every part, not just black tribe. It could be the most traveled people. But let me just say black tribe for now. Igbo people travel more than any other tribe in Africa. We do businesses, we connect anywhere. And that is why there's this common saying that if you go to anywhere you don't see Igbo people, know that nothing is happening there. They are the most traveling tribe. They're not just in Lagos, they're in every state in Nigeria. And there are many Igbos in Igbo land. Go to Igbo land, go to Anambra and see markets. Many of them. Very full, like the ones you find in Lagos. You think we left our land and we come? No, there are people who stay back home and fix things. And the other one is also the seaport. Only Lagos seaport is properly functioning. And Igbo people are importers. They are good businessmen. They do international business. They go to where it will favor them. It will be easier for them. And the federal government, in trying to strangulate our side, refused to make other seaports properly functional. Rather, they will build dry seaports. So are you still asking why Igbo people are leaving their place? Like I told you in the other video, let other seaports, the Warri, the Delta Seaport, yes, the Calabar Seaport, the One in Port Harcourt, let them function properly. Igbo people will not totally leave Lagos, but they will leave massively. Many of them will leave Lagos. Yes, you people should not ask silly questions. You know why the Igbo people are flocking to different places. You know why. Stop deceiving yourself. And he said they should go. That if we leave, that you don't care. But you are holding us and you are telling us if we leave, you don't care. Allow us to go now. You think we cannot manage ourselves? You think we cannot manage what we have? You see, when people just come online, they spew anything without thinking. Anyway, viewers, share this video widely. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more updates. Bye-bye for now.